Alright, we back in the garage. So I decided I'm not gonna clean any more of this for now until I get my pressure washer back. It's a pain in the ass. There's a lot of cleaning to do, and the pressure washer will help out a lot. So yeah, got my headlamp on, about to throw my mask on. We're gonna start cleaning up the interior. I'm gonna pull out this driver's seat, clean all this up, wipe this thing down, start working on the interior first. So I got my parts in the mail. Freaking forgot at the house. It's all the stuff I need to get this car running, minus the fuel cell, which is going to be last. Once I can get the car actually running and idling and stuff, and just seeing how everything is from there, you know, hopefully I can get it running, then I'll grab that fuel cell and wire that all up, and should be good to go. Hope. Let's start cleaning this up. Let's go. First, I'm gonna take off the seat. I'm gonna try to. Aw, you guys see that? Let me turn my light on. What is that? Freaking regular ass screw in there to hold the seat down? God damn, man. Look at this. Oh, shit. Holy shit, this is nasty. Oh my god. Just the seat. I'm taking everything out, man. Fuck this. Fuck this. Oh, just like it. Don't know what lens this is for. Gas cap. Some bracket. Quarter. Alright, so gonna take off this trim and start taking off the center console and the seat belts and start unbolting from here. So then this side will be up and lifted. Nope. Let's take this out. So, cut the carpet in half so I can toss it out. It came out pretty easy. It's really brittle. Vacuumed it up a little bit. Saw a little bit of surface rust and stuff right there. And then I saw this freaking massive hump, you guys can see. So see if I should hammer that down because I felt under it. And yeah, something probably hit something in the past. Flatten that out. Probably take off the sound deadening as well too. And yeah, I'm actually gonna take apart this passenger seat, take the seat rails and junk this seat. I'm gonna go do that. Let's grab my Quattro out the back of the garage. Had this for like 5 years, supposed to go in the Starlet, but I got the TRD. But this is perfect for this car. Perfect. So I'm gonna put this aside, take out center console, passenger seat, clean up all the insides, do the same thing I did on this side, but on that side. So, carpets are all out. So next up, what I'm gonna do is start scrubbing the shifter location, and I'm gonna clean this whole dash. Clean all of that up, make it look good, and then get into vacuuming whatever's here. I still have this whole mess right here in the back to deal with, so let's get going. A lot better than before. I didn't clean that vent down there yet, but you know what, I'm thinking I might take this apart another time and just respray everything like a flat black. I need to clean up the back portion right there, but I might do that when I take this out to respray it, because it's like faded. I wipe it and it just doesn't get in there, and it's not that clean, so it's looking better though. So next thing I'm gonna do, clear all this out and see what's in here. I found a few things when I was sitting there cleaning, but yeah, let's clear this out. Mechanical pump, no clue. Got a belt here, bracket,
These look like some chalk blocks, just not chalk block, but wheel chocks. Fill filter. One of my missing panels back there. Put that back there. Hose. A trim of some sort. Don't know, but I'll find out what this is, or anybody knows. Don't know yet. Glove box cover. Broken latch to it. Fuel cover. Put that back there. And my float. Fuel tank, gas tank float. With the old sender unit thingy rusted. Oh. Gas cap with a lock. Install this back soon. Throwing this away. Let's go lift up that seat and see what's under here. Alright guys, I went pretty damn ham on the car, and I did a lot to it. Take off my mask. Whew. Let me turn on my light and I'll show you guys what I did inside. So, straight gutted the car out. Vacuumed it, but got more messy. Cleaned up the dash, and then I took out the rear seats. Threw away a bunch of stuff that I didn't need, and this is all the panels and stuff that I am going to be using. Rear belts, I'm just going to probably list them up for sale. And what else? Gas tanks over here, I'm going to get rid of this, and I found some rust under here. Shoot. There's a hole. I think that's it, yeah. It's a hole. So that's something that I need to go take care of. But from now, I mean for what I'm going to be doing is still clean up the full interior. I want it clean. No freaking sand or sign of freaking all this. And take off everything in here. Front panels, rear panels. I'm going to do a deep clean and probably respray the panels like a flat black, matte black. And then we're going to prep up the inside and paint all that. Take out all the sound deadening as well too. Ooh. But aside from that, probably the next time I'm gonna be working on the car, what I'm gonna do is do all the maintenance stuff that all the parts that I got on Rock Auto, spark plug the wires and cap and rotor and stuff, and get a new battery, and you know, see if we get power just to start off first, and then from there we're gonna try to get the car to fire up. I gotta check the oil and stuff as well too, and then check the coolant. But yeah, get this thing running, then get it registered, take it to the car wash, and just freaking spray this thing down, man. Yep. Also scored a JDM part, first JDM part I got for the car, and scored it last night, I believe. I gotta double check on it, so that probably won't be here for a very long time, and I'll show you guys by the time if I do win it and get it, then I'll show you guys what I got. But right now I'm gonna tap out. I'm freaking tired. Whew. And we'll continue more of this car tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. Peace.